Oh my god! Game select. Can we choose? Virgil! He wasn't in the game! He wasn't! Alright. Power up. What even do I even have? Uh-huh. Judgment cut end. What the fuck? Slasher. Oh. Oh! Give me that rising star! Beowulf! Oh my god, Beowulf! Yo, this was from Devil May Cry 3! Oh my god! Okay. Alright. Yes, give it to me. Give it to me. Oh my god, this looks so... Force edge. Wait. Oh my god! Spiral swords. That looks cool. Oh my god. Oh, it creates a ring around old X. Oh my god. Give it to me. Oh, 7 sword 3. Oh my god. Just give it to me. Just give everything to me. Real. This is real. Oh, lock on. I know how to lock on, bitch. Oh my god. What the? What the? What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Yo! What the fuck? Yo! Oh my god! Why is Virgil so fucking badass? Why can't I play as him? Like, why is it only like a bonus feature? Why can't I play a story as him? Are you guys afraid of, like, you know, removing his aura? Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck you! Oh my god! Ah, it's over! That was fast. Too fast. Oh! Fuck out! I cannot wait for the 5th entry. Oh my goodness gracious!